is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope out there doing good, you feel me? So this video we're going to be getting to work on the fender swap. I kind of just realized something when I was going over, just kind of preparing, that I parked the car a little too close and I won't be able to get to the 10 mil that's right there and the 10 mil that's down here. So I'm going to have to rearrange the car a little bit before I get started here. Alright, so that actually wasn't that bad. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and toss on each color and figure out which color I really actually want to go with now that I'm here. I kind of got played here, it looks like. I mean, this is like, I think this might just be a huge dent right here, and I didn't really catch it. It was really hard to get this to line up, and it's still kind of off. I think it looks alright. I think it's better than the cream color. That's kind of like what you need. I mean, it's not like I'm not going to paint it down the road. It doesn't really fucking matter. But yeah, this fender was really... It's really bent right there. Probably, I don't know if it's from shipping or if it just got sent that way. I think I mentioned the guy in the video last time, but I might have not included the audio. But I got these from like Germany or something. I don't know, just having something to work with, fender wise, with as in like a replacement fender. Just having a replacement fender in general that you can eventually work on and fix is better than nothing at this point, the way that the Honda market's going. So, man, do I want to do this, or... I'm going to show you guys how I decided the color. Whichever one looks cleaner in the very split second, and it's going to be the cream one, so... I mean, in the glance, that looks way better than... I mean, that just sticks out, whereas this... I don't know, you can kind of just see it and forget it. So, we're going with the cream. I think that looks really good. I gave it a little wash down like I gave the other one. That just looks better, you know? Let's see if I can adjust the light so it's a little more realistic. It just, when I go too far down, I get these little waves. See, like black lines. So I gotta stay within like a certain range on this camera here. But yeah, I think this is the way to go. Got a battery pack flashing, so I gotta swap that out. But one last thing to talk about really quick is you got to swap out these little dealies right here, and if you don't have the little brace that goes right here, you're gonna have to put that on from the other fender as well. Gonna try to knock this side out in less than 30 minutes because it's like almost 4 a.m. I'm gonna have to edit this video. I need to just get this done. Luckily I don't have to worry about the fender liner, but I do have to worry about is the amount of oil that leaks out of my car just from moving it from here to there. I don't know if you guys have seen the other video, but I put so much RTV and so much Honda Bond all around the oil pan because I have just never been able to get it to not leak. And to my amazement, it leaks, I want to say worse than like ever before. Oh boy. Alright, so we are done with the fender swap. For the most part, I lost the screw keepers for the turn signals right there. It's probably on the inside of the bumper, so I'm going to have to take the bumper back off, but I'm going to end the video here. I mean, from like this perspective, can't really tell what color the car is. I think that looks alright. I still have to do the side skirts and all that other stuff, the mud flaps obviously, but at least I got this done tonight. So I'm gonna end the video here, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one when I'm probably gonna be doing the, I'm probably gonna be clearing the top of that shelf right there and wrapping up this stuff, I guess, maybe, I don't know. But it's like 4:30 a.m. so I'm hella tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Peace out. Here.